To be able to make your chatbot a little bit smarter, we can use AI and train the chatbot how to respond to certain situations. When users type in certain keywords, when users type in certain sentences. So the way to do this is by going to Setup AI. And you can use an add training phrase. So for example, we are going to add a training phrase. And that training phrase, as you might have seen in the welcome message video, is a keyword called help. And we want to be able to send them to a support flow. So we can add even more user expressions like question, help needed, or stuff like that. Let's use it, let's just leave it at help for now. And let's add a reply. So we can add a text response and we can type it in right here, or we can have a flow or a step ID. So for the flow, we could say something like, we could also send them to the FAQ section. If we want to catch their answer, we could also set up a support flow. But for this tutorial, for this demo, let's make it an FAQ. Let's press save once done. And you will see this being added to the general overview. So the user message is help and the bot response is flow FAQ. So let's take a look if this flow is being triggered. So let's go to the user profile. Let's go to send a message and then let's type in help. And as you can see, before getting in touch with our support, take a look if the below options might answer your question. And this is perfect because in this case, before they are going to require manual assistance from the team directly, you can first show them an FAQ section to see if that answers their question. So for example, opening hours or make a reservation. So if we press this, we have a flow available, right? So to make a reservation, just press the button below. So instead of talking to support, they will be taken to the reservation flow itself as well. So this is a way to set up a much smarter chatbot that can handle more and more situations. And in this case, provide help by sending them to a FAQ flow that you already set up prior to that, and prevent customer support queries from taking place. But you can use it for any kind of situation that you can imagine. So if you get a lot of support queries about a certain topic, you can consider going to the AI section and set up training phrases and responses to them. So this is the way how you can set up AI and make your chatbot a lot smarter than it is right out of the box.